already. It's been fast. And there's a lot of things going on right now. And I am tired. How's your week been? Hopefully it's better than mine. Kind of early now. I'm gonna use the S4 big glow stick now today, since I want something natural, lightweight. Haven't used it since I think last month. I like this, but it's just like there are so many different options for me to try. How's work? Do you go to work or do you stay home? Must be nice to work from home. Some wet brown. I'm gonna do some kind of brownish, like the chili from MAC. That's like one of the iconic lipstick that is still super popular these days. And try to dab it out. I have this lipstick for like so long now, but I still like it. I still like the color combination. I still like how it goes on the pigmented of the color. I like the shade. It's still nice. If you guys haven't had it. Oh, but I would recommend the one it's called Devoted to Chili. It's like a Chili 2.0. It's kind of way better. It's not like extremely better, but it's different. It kind of have an improved version of the texture of the color too. It's more like brownish. I have it in my work bag. Don't worry, is it too dark? The powder is gonna help later. The face powder. So we're gonna use face powder. Makeup forever still. the before and after. It's good. Today we're going to use this from Too Faced, the chocolate eye palette. It's matched my outfit. So basically you want to use a light basic touch-ups, and we already have kind of like the lipstick as the first layer of eyeshadow already. Just kind of blend everything together. Do the shading, and then I'm gonna use a darker brown. After this, I'm gonna skip to the, I'm gonna draw my eyeliner. And then I'll be back. And eyebrow, and I'll be back. A little bit more blush. Now is the lipstick, the MAC Chili MAC lipstick. This would be perfect for the fall weather. Perfect. So today layout, how you like it?